What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Swerve with a banger vid. As y'all can see, we at the gas station right now with the one and only. Oh, it's a fucking roach on the floor right there. But yeah, we about to take on a little late night POV. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on them notifications if y'all new. Turn on them fucking notifications if y'all new to the channel, man. Yeah, we finna start this up. Take a little joyride on the road. Yo, look what happened to my shit. It was on my window too, but I tried to get it out, scratched my wrap, so I gotta take this shit later today. What time is it? 2:53 a.m. I see the make it happen, shock everyone. Got the dogs out. I don't know if I can see, but dogs is out. And yeah, we about to just, feel me? We about to terrorize the streets of downtown Houston with this beast of a machine right here. So, yes sir, let's get this shit started. Time for y'all to really hear the demon. We're gonna terrorize the streets. This is Houston for you. Let's fix the camera. He's gonna drive around, feel me? Let's see, I got a little Jamaican boxing gloves. I didn't even get to record my Jamaica trip for real. I didn't even upload that, right? I'm trolling. But yeah, this is some free content for y'all. Charger behind me. I'm thinking he trying to race. I don't know what bro was doing, but he wasn't trying to race, I'll tell you that. How long is this video? It should be a quick vid. I'm not even gonna turn. Fuck that turn. I might have head to the crib. Everything sound. Should I make it right? Yeah, we gonna make it right, chat. I thought that was the boys or something. bunch of noise, child. Like we ain't got no damn sense. Is this a left turn only thing? Nope. Shit. This shit sound good as fuck, John. I wonder if the wind is fake fucking all up or what. Should be Gucci. Should be guap. Might switch to the gear shifter, up shift, down shift, highway action. The windows though. Like, what is bro doing? On the highway with it skate. Should I turn down a little? Should I roll down a little bit? Wondering how it's gonna sound for y'all though. Shit's still recording, we good. Nah, let's roll the windows up. I don't wanna violate y'all. Oh. Telling them Texas potholes, bro, them shit be no joke when you run into one of them. Dead ass, bro. Is he flashing? Nah. He ain't flashing that shit. They on two cars. I mean, they in two cars on one nigga? What the hell, Chapo? That's El Chapo, y'all pulling over, gang? I see how 3 a.m. Houston Road look. Clear, 5 lanes, like. This shit crazy. Ain't gonna do too much talking though. Like before, when I didn't have a tune, I was doing a lot of talking to make up for it. But now my car's the talker. I'm always saying. Always say that shit, chat. Can y'all see good? Damn, that shit feels so rocky right here. Hey. Really feel like I got an M5 shifting this shit. Like, don't play with the M550, nigga. I'm basically an M5, bro. Like, if you want an M5, but like, you don't want to spend, I mean, you want to spend M5 money, but M5 is like, feel me? But if you don't want to get an M5, but you want something M5 like, go with this bad boy right here. Sprinklers. Alright, y'all, it's gonna be the end of the vid. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on noise if y'all new. And yeah, man, I'll catch y'all later, cuz.